Hi children, in this class we will start with the poem that is the Skylark. Skylark is a small singing bird. It is singing and going from one place to another. This poem is written by Christian Rossetti. Let us read the poem once. The earth was green, the sky was blue. I saw and heard one sunny morn. A skylark hang between the two, a singing speak about the corn. A stage below in a gay accord, white butterfly danced on the wing, and still the singing skylark soared, and silent slang, and soared to sing. The cornfield stretched a tender green, to right and left beside my walks. I knew he had a nest unseen somewhere among the million stalk. And as I paused to hear his song, while swift the sunny moment slide, perhaps his mate sat listening long and listened longer than I did. Okay, what the poet is saying here, he is walking on the road and suddenly he saw that the earth was very green, that is evergreen. The nature was pleasant. The sky was blue, and he saw one, that is on a sunny morning he was on a walk and the skylark bird was hanging with the two, that is it was hanging on the electrical wires or else the tree and singing with its small shape of the body, which was looking like a corn. And the stage below in a gay accord, white butterfly danced on the wing, and still the singing skylark soared, and silence sang, and soared to sing. Okay, what it was doing? It was singing beautifully. For example, nightingale voice. It is very beautiful. It was going from one place to another and the white butterflies was surrounding the skylark bird. And suddenly it was singing and it was flying to a very height and settled down at one place, and again it was flying to a very height and it was settling down to a silent place. The cornfield stretched a tender green to right and left beside my walk. I knew he had a nest unseen somewhere among the million stalk. Okay, he was walking near the cornfields. It was at right side and left side of the poet walking. Okay, he was walking in between the cornfields and the birds was also moving from one place to another. It was searching its nest because it was not seeing. And it was a millions long narrow, and it was having a long narrow body part. That is the long narrow feathers it was having. And as I paused to hear his song, while quick the sunny movement slide, perhaps his mate sat silently listening long and listened longer than I did. Okay? Suddenly the poet was waiting to listen the song of the birds, but quickly the sunny moment slid. It was a mate sat listening long and listened longer than I did. Okay, it was having some companions of the birds. They were also singing. They were also sitting with it. As the birds mate came, both were singing very long. And the poet was listening to it. Okay, this is the poem. What is happening here? The skylark is nothing but a bird. What it is doing? It is singing very cutely. The earth was green, evergreen earth with a pleasant feeling. The skylark was blue. It saw and heard on a sunny morn. It was listening on a sunny morning. Nowadays we are not able to see the nightingale's voice. Otherwise in a winter season what we are able to see, or in a rainy season, is so much of the nightingale's voice. Beautiful voice we are able to listen. Like that way, a skylark is a very small singing bird. And it is a very small bird with a long feathers. It was dancing and singing. The butterflies were also roaming around the skylark the skylark was jumping up and sitting on a silent place. It was singing and jumping up again and sitting on a silent place, and all this happened near the cornfields. It was left and right side beside his walk, the poet's walk, and the bird was searching its home that was unseen. Perhaps the poet also sat on the land, and also he was listening to the song of the beautiful bird. I hope you have understood it. Read it once. Thank you.